Yeah, dig. Chloe, you're never gonna find it. Well, maybe you're gonna find it, but what are you doing? Chloe, you are nuts. Why the heck are you looking for a sprinkler? You'll find it when it comes back up. Oh my gosh. Crazy dog. Dig, Chloe, dig! Chloe, you have to breathe. Don't put your nose in there. You don't know how to breathe underwater yet. And you never will because you're not a fish. And you don't have gills. Chloe, you would do this for hours, wouldn't you? I should have recorded it when it was going up. Because Chloe was going nuts over that. She tried to bite the water. Sneeze it out, Chloe. Now look what you did. Sneeze it out. Chloe, if you whine and whine, it's not gonna come, and there she goes. You are a crazy puppy. She just stops in front of the water. Oh, so you like the grass water and like to attack water, but you hate the pool water? We're back to this moment. Chloe, are you the one that broke the sprinkler? Chloe. Yeah, I think you are the one. Because you usually break stuff. Sorry. Don't look at me. Don't mind me. Chloe, don't even try. Chloe! What are you doing? Ah! You splashed it! And you splashed me! Oh, Chloe. Oh, Chloe.